Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because I am going to do my first YouTube trend. So right now around YouTube there's a lot of videos going around where you recreate a YouTuber's video. So I decided I wanted to recreate one of Desi Perkins' videos. I love Desi Perkins. She's definitely someone I admire, look up to, get inspiration from. She's amazing. So if you've never seen her YouTube channel, I will have it linked down below, as well as the video that I am going to recreate. The video that I'm going to recreate is actually a Halloween tutorial. When thinking about doing this as my next YouTube video, I almost picked just like an easy glam look, and then I was like, you know what, why not try and really push myself and see if I can recreate one of her looks that I've been dying to do. These are looks that I want to recreate.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Halloween. October is here. Super excited.
I wish October was here. I love Halloween as well. That's when I get to do a lot of body painting for people and special effects makeup, which is something that's so fun to do. Wish me luck on trying to recreate this transformation Halloween makeup by Desi Perkins, and I hope it turns out cool.
Your skin melting, you got your skull.
Alright, so I'm just gonna go step by step and
but you know what? It's fine.
Listen to Desi and create this
so we're
look.
gonna start off with the glam side of the face. I'm just gonna fill in my brows and I put down an eyeshadow base. I'm using MAC Soft Oak.
So Desi is starting on her glam side and then she's going to work over into the special effects side. So I'm going to do the same. Biggest goal for this video. If Desi Perkins were to see it, like it, love it, I'd be complete.
A better guide, and I'm using my Inglot gel liner to create a very sharp, dramatic wing.
Okay, so I'm going to create my wing, my nice dramatic wing. I'm going to start down at my lash line.
Connect the outer part of the wing to the outer crease area. And then take a blending brush after you do the harsh line just to kind of smoke it out a little bit, make sure it's nice and blended. Put on some lashes. These are Knockout by House of Lashes. And then picking up a white. Mess up, boom, wipe it off, boom, wipe it off. Change your mind at any time and it's not a big deal, which I did a few times. I'm gonna go ahead after that and apply foundation to my more glam side. You can do this part before the white pencil too, it might be a little bit easier, but you know, I was on the fly with this video, so I'm just going with whatever my mind tells me at the time.
To add a little bit more drama to this eye, Desi put bottom lashes on, which is really fun when you do Halloween looks, to really go in with the lashes. I think that's a time where you can wear the big, full, fun, different lashes. So I'm just taking these little individual lashes here and I'm gonna plop a couple right in the center of my eye. Okay, now for the drips of your skin, Desi recommends going in with a nude or white eyeliner. That way you could really map out what you want to create. The suggestion that she did give was to make the drips really thin. She kind of went back and forth a couple times recreating that, so hopefully I get it on the first try, but we shall see. Okay, then once she has a map out, she takes a black water-based paint and starts with a smaller brush and really goes in very precisely and starts carving out the black. Then she creates little black dots and divots to give the illusion that your flesh is kind of breaking off. So I'm just going to create the hollow of my eye socket and just fill this all in black. And let's start creating these teeth. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and highlight the teeth. So I'm gonna go in with a small detailed brush and really carve out these teeth.
Popping out, make the jawline look like
Okay, so now we are to the really fun part, which is adding this Mayron 3D Skin Life Gel. And I had bought this a while ago, wanting to create this look, and I finally am doing it. So, show you what she did.
gel. You're going to want to heat this up. Make sure you read the directions. All you're going to do is pour the gel along all the drips that you've made yourself. So where you see the skin looks like it's dripping, that's where I concentrated the majority of the gel, and then also put it randomly in certain areas once I was done. It's really all like what you see and what you like and how the drips are falling, but it's so easy. Honestly, this side of the face, that makes it look really
So easy. We shall see how easy this really is. Okay, so I have my towel, because this is supposed to be a little bit messy, but totally worth the effect. So how I heated this up was I warmed up water, and then I placed this in the water. Wish me some luck. Okay, so here we have the final look. We have our skull on this side, our melting beauty on this side, and I was so happy to recreate Desi Perkins' look. Definitely tried hard to resemble what she did. I love it, and I hope you enjoyed this video too. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun things, and I will see you in my next video.